Paul, what is this next episode going to be about?
I don't know.
Not you, that's for sure.
Oh my goodness Lord, I got all the water in my nose. Welcome to Salty Mechanics. This is the channel where you get to see what it's like to live and breathe on the docks of Norway. This was supposed to be nice. I'm gonna try again. I am so warm.
So in the last episode, you saw me cutting out this bearing from this bow right here. I didn't have time to finish it. I had way too much going on, as you know, if you saw that episode. So now I'm going to replace this bearing with a new one, put in the shaft, put on a seal, connect everything to the engine, and we should be good to go. A lot of work, so let's just get to it. Alright, so we got the shaft right there. We want that shaft to be connected to the gearbox, but before we do that, I want to go inside and prepare the seal, which I'm going to put on right here. The seal will prevent water from coming in here, because right now it's open. Alright, all done with that job. So I guess it's on to the next one. Thank you. So the boat I'm in right now is a Leader 36 from Renault. It's a beautiful boat, and in it sits two Volvo Penta D4 engines. All I'm doing right now is to change oil because it's been a while, and then the customer can continue his holiday. So, when working as a boat mechanic on the docks of Norway in summertime, it's important to just keep cool. So I got a phone call from a customer who said he has a charging problem, he doesn't really know what's going on, so I thought I should go out there and take a look at it. So let's do that. All right, here we are. So the gauge shows no charge. All right, let me see here. There's a lot of loose wires down here, but you know, sometimes you can find loose wires, but they don't really go anywhere. But here, I think actually this one right here should be in there. All right, so it's a bit loose, so maybe all the vibration just made it pop out. I don't know, but this one is definitely supposed to be connected in here. So I'm gonna try again and we'll see if that's gonna help. So So everything is working now, the alternator is doing its job, engine sounds okay, batteries are getting all the juice they need. The customer, he can go out and enjoy his summer out at sea, which is basically what all of this is really about. Alright, I just wanted to take a moment and thank you guys for being a part of this channel. It really means a lot to me when you comment in the comment section and you hit that like button. It just feels like, you know, we're part of something together here. If you don't really know what you want to be, if you're considering becoming a mechanic, then it could be a good idea to keep watching these series and all the films that I make, because I give you a great insight into what it's actually like to work as a boat mechanic. So not every day is alike, there's always something different to do, there's always new stuff to learn, so I think it's the best job in the world. So I'm gonna continue making these films, and when you hit the like button or you subscribe and you comment, it just makes everything a little bit more fun. But regardless, I'm gonna keep making these films because I love it. I think it's so much fun. Sometimes it can be a bit stressful, but that's life. That's just the way it is. All right, I'm gonna have to get back to it, but thank you again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ja, bare prøv nå. So right now I'm dealing with a case where I can't get diesel from the tank to the engine. I've done a lot of research. I discovered that we probably have a case where we have a bunch of dirt and stuff in the tank. So I've used high pressure air to just try to flush that clean, to push all the dirt back into the tank, which is probably going to be an ongoing problem for the customer. But if I can just fix it now so that they can move on and you know, do whatever they want, it's a temporary thing, but you know, I'm going to try. So now the plan is basically to try to put everything together and then start the engine. This was a case that just came into my lap. They were towed in the last minute, and I was about to go home actually, and then suddenly I got this stuff going on, and I didn't plan for it, so I didn't film, but I'm gonna try to film a little bit. I've already used my phone just to give you guys a, you know, a little bit of an idea of what I'm doing right now. So I need some new seals. These ones actually hinder air from coming into the diesel system. The diesel is actually going through these bolts or screws, and they are hollow. Let me see if I can find the focus here. There we are. So they are hollow, so diesel can actually go through, and the old ones, the old seals, they actually tend to get really hard, and they can actually let air go by, and you don't want that, so you want to change them, of course. Ok, da kan du prøve igjen. Der ja. Ja, åpne nå. Well, I'm so glad I could help those guys. They were on their way to a holiday a couple of weeks out at sea, but nothing worked. And now, 3 hours later, everything is done, taken care of. They are good to go. I am tired. I should have been in my couch back home a couple hours ago. So, well, my couch is not going anywhere, and this is the season. So this is the time when I actually help people and do what I can. So now I'm gonna clean up and maybe clean some of my cuts and bruises, and then go home and relax. I hope you had a good time. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. If there's anything you wanna write in the comment section, please do so. I will answer. If you like what you see, subscribe and all of that. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye-bye.